am making a delicious pizza in the classroom, but I don't know what pizza toppings to put on. There's so many to choose from. Will you help me decide which toppings should go on my pizza? Okay, I have this button that'll show us some yummy pizza toppings and maybe some that shouldn't go on my pizza. Let's see. Here we go. Wonder what it will be. Oh, what's this? It's cheese. Should cheese go on my pizza? Cheese is delicious. It's one of my favorite pizza toppings. And there's so many different kinds of cheese you can put on pizza too. I say the more cheese, the merrier. Let's see what else. I wonder what it will be. Oh, what's this? Chocolate. Should chocolate go on my pizza? I don't think so. Chocolate is a delicious treat, but not on pizza. I don't think so. All right, let's see what else we can find for our pizza. What's this food? Do you recognize it? It's watermelon. Should watermelon go on pizza? I don't think so. Watermelon is refreshing and delicious, but I think it would be too watery for a pizza. It might make it all soggy, and I like my pizza nice and crispy. So, no watermelon on our pizza. Maybe we can find something we do want to put on our pizza. Let's find out. Oh, what's this food? It's pepperoni. Should pepperoni go on pizza? Yes, I think so. Pepperoni is a classic pizza topping. I love pepperoni pizza. So pepperoni should definitely go on our pizza. Nice job. Here we go again. Oh, do you know what this is? It's popcorn. Popcorn's a tasty treat, nice and salty and buttery. Should popcorn go on our pizza? What do you think? Popcorn pizza? Nah, I don't think so. Popcorn is a delicious treat that I like to have at the movies, but I don't think I want popcorn on my pizza. No way. Let's find another topping. Oh, do you know what this is? They're mushrooms. Should mushrooms go on our pizza? What do you think? Yeah, mushrooms are a delicious topping for pizza. I think definitely mushrooms on our pizza. Delicious. What else will we put on our pizza? Oh, do you know what this is? That's a beetle. It's a kind of insect. Do bugs go on our pizza? I don't think so. Yucky. I don't want to put bugs on my pizza. I would sure would be interesting. But no way. No bugs on our pizza. Let's find another one. That one was easy. Oh, what's this? Do you know what this is? It's pineapple. Now, should pineapple go on pizza? Now, some people feel very strongly about pineapple and pizza. Some think, no way should pineapple be on pizza. But some people really like it. What do you think? Pineapple is actually one of my favorite pizza toppings. I think it's just so sweet and juicy and So I'm going to say yes, definitely pineapple on our pizza. This is gonna be a really delicious pizza. Thanks for all of your help, everybody. See you later. Putting cheese on pizza is a great idea, and so is subscribing to Caitie's Classroom. All you have to do is push the button. Oh, but not this button, the subscribe button.